go, boys. Back with another video. We're actually working on this car today. We'll go for a little ride. Final drive-in before taking it all apart. I want him to do like a before and after pull, so he can like realize, he can really feel the difference and get like a fresh experience with this power and the next power. Down in Mexico. Yeah, we're in Mexico, going to the border right now. We're gonna wait till after and then get on it. This wagon, whatever it's called. G-Wagon. What the heck is that? I'm trying to figure it out. It was that Frontier that was right there. Alright guys, I'm not going to record until, oh, we'll record this. So the stock LS2. Stock LS2.
That was just the ghost cam.
Yeah, the ghost cam, done with tuning. A little dirty, but he'll get a wash after. So just got the catch can off. Already has the headers. I got the whole bump front end off. And then he became a dad again. Son tres.
That he knows about?
3 that he knows about. So yeah, he just had his baby yesterday. The 5th, right? July 5th. little glimpse. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, this is where we're at. The blower mounted. We think we got all the spacers on how it's supposed to be. It's not fully on because we still need to get the belt on. So we got that mounted. Now we're gonna start trying to figure out how to run the intercooler. Yeah, the intercooler. That shouldn't be too bad. Somewhere right here. It's going pretty good. It's just been a little struggle since we got it used. We actually got it from the Atlanta video, so like we've been having, or he's been having it sit here since I think January. We're over there, and it's July now. 6 months. He didn't want to. He didn't want. He didn't want to wait 6 months. That's why he didn't order it new. So, but he still waited just as much.
Okay.
You want glasses?
Yeah.
No. Let's mount the intercooler up. Alright, so I think we have the intercooler mounted. We trimmed the radiator, you have to. Intake fits. And this looks like it's gonna be a little tight, but I think it'll fit, you know? Should be alright. But yeah, we're here now. Now we gotta just run this pipe to the head unit. And then go get a belt. Have to go visit Dro to get a belt from him. Alright, he went to go get the keys. Hopefully it turns on. It might not turn on. We'll change the master. Found them?
Yeah.
The plug don't fit. Close a lot of air right there. Alright boys, this is where we end the video.
Mechanic celebrating. So
He's celebrating with some
he invited the
paletas.
You know.
Hey guys, it's finally on, turned on. Still not done, but mostly done.
We're done. We're doing it Leroy style.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it like that, no hood. It's gonna be like Ruby's little sister. So yeah, we're gonna leave it like that. No, we're not. Well, we are for the tuner, and then after it gets tuned, then we'll go ahead and throw the bumper and everything back on. Hopefully. So this is where we're gonna end the video.
So if you like
Thank you for watching, for liking, subscribing. We're gonna see a burnout once this car gets tuned. Then we'll see a burnout.
Even think cap.
We're gonna get a race between the Fox body and the Corvette.
Better give me a lead.
Alright guys, peace out, thanks.